Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Got a new gun today and a few extra goodies. So, ordered this in from D&L Airguns. Came really super fast. I still can't get it, man. I order stuff from 4,000 kilometers away and I get it super fast. I order something from 300 kilometers away and it takes a week. Parcel post is weird. And yet this went through Mississauga too. So, who knows? Anyway, let's dig into this puppy. I love guns. And I got a couple more I'm going to be getting too yet. So, let's start with the accessories. We've got 2 packs of wad cutter, Craftsman Premier 7.4 grains. And we've got RWS Hobby. These are my 22 cal, pack of 200. They used to come in 5s. I don't know what's going on with that stuff. 11.9 grain, a little bit lighter than some of the other stuff. And we've got 7 grain, 177 Hobbies. And, yep, 7 grain, 177 Hobbies. And these are 500s. So, I seem to remember for some reason, even when I was selling air guns, I used to be able to get Hobbies in a 500 pack. Oh, we got more. Oh yes, our Craftsman pointed 7... What are these suckers? 500 count. Yeah, these are 7... I think these are 7.4. Yeah, 7.4 grain. Pointed pellets. We got those. I need more pointed pellets. Canadian Tire has been out of stock for a while now on the pointed pellets in the milk cartons. So I was like, well, let's get what we get, I guess. And here's our gun. It's a Luger. This is the Legends series, and this is the all-metal version too. It says on the website at D&L 410, but it also says that for the non-blowback model too. And then it says 380 on another website, and this box says 300. So, be interesting to crony this. 21 round mag, drop-free mag as well, BBs only, of course CO2 gas powered, full metal. I had a Luger cap gun when I was a kid. I seem to be buying a lot of the guns in the pellet guns now than what I had as cap guns when I was a kid. And I still got to remember which one it was I had. It was I think it was either a 2-inch or a 4-inch pistol revolver, but it was chrome. So I have a Dan Wesson that's black, but you know, if I go chrome, I want that in a pellet gun version if I can find one. But we'll get there. Anyway, so we do have the usual stuff. We've got our manual, we got our, you know, Umarex stuff, etc., etc. So we'll have to go through the manual later on. We do get a Allen key. And then we've got our really cool gun. This thing's neat. So there's our mag. So integrated valve, integrated BB hopper, the whole 9. I like that. Might have to get a spare one of those mags down the road. But, and this thing is supposed to have, and it does, last shot, it stays up. So, you're going to have to pull the mag and release, and then pull the trigger. So, yeah, so we've got fire and safe on this thing. Just a switch. It's one side, it's not ambidextrous. The grips are ambidextrous. Nice wide trigger on this. Wow. That is really nice. I've seen a few videos of this thing shooting. Now the sights aren't adjustable, okay? But you will have to find out the best range for lining up, and I think we would probably be okay even at 10 meters. So, neat little blade sight in the front. This thing does field strip too, but I'm not going through that in this video. This is just a unboxing for now. We'll get to all the other goodies later. When we get a little bit better weather outside in the next few days, We'll do a crony test, of course, and we'll see how accurate this thing is at 10 meters and at 5 meters. And, you know, it is a BB gun, and it's definitely in, you know, they're saying, like I said, 300 feet per second. So 10 meters is probably going to be our max, maybe 15 at 300 feet per second. But we'll definitely be checking into that. But that is a really nice gun. Like, I love that. That's just like really sweet. Oh, I got that. There we go. So, yeah. And the mag only loads one way, by the way. So you got to watch that. But yeah, that's cool. So, yeah, that's alright. What kind of seal do we have on this thing? Ah, we got one of the good heavy-duty white CO2 seals. So this seal will last a long, long time. So that's encouraging. So, now, does this actually hold back? No. So to load this, you're going to have to hold it back and I'll figure out your best way and then just dump your BBs in there. I think for us left-handed people like me, I would be holding it in my right hand and I get my BBs in there. Yeah, that's a pretty sweet little gun. So I'll have to get the wife to shoot it too, see how she likes it. But yeah, that's all right. Good positive lockup. Nice, very cool. Okay, so that's my little D&L airgun score, guys. Stay tuned for more. I have a surprise gun about to hit the channel, which is phenomenal. Some of you will be jealous considering how much I paid for it, which was dirt cheap and brand spanking new. So stay tuned for that. Oh, I gotta put my key back in here. And there we go. So that's our Luger. Now this is called a Parabellum P08, so P.08. And yeah, it should be interesting to shoot this and see what the blowback is like too on it. It's got a pretty heavy duty system. But from what I've seen, it does get amazing shot count too, so we'll have to definitely compare that down the road as well. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the bit of the unboxing. Stay tuned for the shooting stuff. See ya.